Okay, today's a quick tool review of a long reach harmonic balancer pulley installer. Now this tool is essential for the Coyote motors, in the Mustangs and the F-150s, to put the pulley back on, because the normally when you take the pulley off, you can use the factory bolt to put to screw the pulley back in. But on this particular engine and a lot of other engines, you can't do that. The factory bolt's not long enough. Let me show you. Matter of fact, I used this one. And when you screw it in, when you screw it all the way in, the factory bolt, it's not long enough, so you have to screw this in, and then you put the harmonic balancer on. And this has a ball bearing. So when you're screwing this and putting pressure on the harmonic balancer, everything doesn't bind up and it goes on really nice. It's a really important tool, and normally you can rent tools, from your local auto parts store, but this one is a long reach. They have all long reach ones. Look how these are long. They're all long for that reason. You can't use your regular crank bolt, the regular crank bolt on a lot of the engines to put them in. So, this tool is about 45 bucks. You get it on Amazon. I'll give a link below. This one's made by ABN. It's called a Long Reach Harmonic Balancer Pulley Installer. And it comes with the size threads is 14 by 1.5. That's the pitch. Then you got 12 millimeter by 1.75. Then you got another 12 millimeter by 1.5. And then you got a 16 millimeter by 2.0. And basically, I'm pretty sure, I'm sorry, I forgot which one I used. I think I used this one. It was the 14 millimeter 1.5. That's the one I believe I used. It doesn't really matter whichever one you use, but it does cover. I'll give the link in the description of how many engines it covers. And it's just, it's a necessary evil. You need this tool. And it's not bad, The part number is ABN 7429. Again, I'll put in the link. And it's a little tool to keep in your toolbox when you're going to need to replace the front seal, take the engine apart, take the timing cover off. Anything to take the harmonic balancer to put it back on. I mean to take them off, you use a regular pulley. Like this. You can use a regular puller. This you can get anywhere. If you have one or whatever, you put this on, you take it off. That's not a big deal. But putting it on, you need this special tool. You cannot hammer it on, so don't think you can do that. You'll destroy everything. You just don't do that. You don't hammer an engine anyway. You never hammer an engine on anything. The crank, the heads, nothing. You never use a hammer. All right, so that's it for this little video. This is Motor Car Nerd 2020. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Thank you very much.